Dajia, good morning, my lovelies. So, I have woken up. It's a very good day today, and I'm feeling very fresh and productive. So, I'm gonna wake up, fresh up, and then I'm gonna have my breakfast. And then I have my laundry to do today. I have to study, and then I have to go get some vegetables and groceries. So, let's get started. Also, I have to cook today. So, let's go. As you can see, today is a very good day. It's very clear, sunny, and also the temperature right now is 13 degrees, so it's not so cold. Also, summer has finally arrived, so you don't need to wear like a very heavy jackets or coats. In the evening, the temperature drops a little bit, so yeah, you need to wear a thin layer of clothes like thin jacket or something, otherwise you're okay. So I hope everyone is gonna have a blissful day. मैं फ्रेश हो चुकी हूँ और मैंने ब्रेकफास्ट बना लिया है. फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट आई एम हैविंग ओजी मसाला चाय और पार्ले-जी बिस्किट, उसके साथ पफ्ड राइस और बटर टोस्ट. लेट्स ईट. So after breakfast, I got ready and I called my best friend because it's her birthday and she didn't pick up my phone because I think she's busy somewhere. So जब तक वो मुझे call back करती है, मैंने सोचा I should just go out and run my errands and finish my work. And I didn't have my lunch because I have a coupon from McDonald's, so I'm gonna use that on my way. So I'm gonna grab something there to eat, and since we have got ready, let's head out. Also, happy birthday to my dear best friend. Thank you so much for being in my life and sticking up to me and being there for me whenever I was at my lowest, when I was at my worst, and handling everything. Literally everything. I love you. Also, पानी भी ऑर्डर किया है जो मुझे अभी याद आया, तो सामान लाने में बहुत मेहनत पड़ने वाली है. God, give me strength. I have left my apartment and I came to take out my trash. So I took out my trash and finally I'm heading out. And if you can see, there are like very pretty cherry blossoms around my apartment. I'll just show you guys. And I've got my bag to keep my groceries inside, and it's very hot. Okay, it's not so hot, but it is hot. And I feel so great after a very long time. So first we are gonna go to Haoxianglai. If you guys are living in China, then you know how important that shop is for people like us, because if you know, you know. So first we are gonna go there. I'm gonna get some milk and some other things, and then I'm gonna go to McD. After that I'm gonna grab my vegetables and then head home. So yeah, also some Chinese advertisement songs are super catchy. Like, even if you don't know Chinese, but if you will just keep listening to that song, it will literally, you will know the lyrics. Okay, so whenever I go to this shop, Haoxianglai, the song will just keep on playing in my head for 24 hours because it is super catchy and it's so good also. And today is not so hot, not so cold, it's just perfect, and it's so sunny. It's Sunday, people are enjoying, people are relaxing. Also, another thing I love about China is that they really don't think age actually matters, because for them, I think age is just a number. Like, literally, I have seen women over 50 to 60 years old wearing heels and getting dressed better than me, honestly, and slaying it. And since it's summer, so now you will see a lot of middle-aged ladies and all kind of ladies dancing on the street. Since summer started, you will see a lot of ladies dancing on the street with her music on, people playing cards and having beers and enjoying barbecues, and nobody judges anyone here. Like, you can literally do anything, whatever you like, you can just do it. Also, I have seen Chinese people, they are like very calm and they are so involved with their family, you know, like going out together, and I have seen a lot of grandparents also with their grandchildren, taking them out in a park and playing with them. Every evening whenever I go outside, I see mostly grandparents with their grandchild. So we have arrived our Haoxiang Lai shop. Let's get our things. Only China has this many options in chips. I'm gonna get this. In China बहुत सारे ऐसे कन्वीनियंस स्टोर आसानी से अवेलेबल होते हैं जहाँ पे आप इंस्टेंट नूडल्स से लेकर स्नैक्स से लेकर chocolates, jellies, biscuits, and even your toiletries and other things, you can get it very easily here, so that you don't have to go to different shops just to buy one thing. So China has a huge varieties of snacks, chocolates, gums, juices, yogurt, and sodas, also wine, beer, cakes, pastries. That reminds me, we should get a small cake because there is a tradition जो मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड ने शुरू किया था. आई एम नॉट गोना लाई. सो हमारी फ्रेंडशिप थोड़ी लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस है अभी, बिकॉज आई एम इन चाइना, शी इज़ इन इंडिया. तो जब भी हम दोनों में से किसी का बर्थडे होता है तो एट 12 AM शी कॉल्स मी एंड शी cuts the cake for me if it's my birthday, and I do the same to her. So yeah, let's get a cake for her. Since there are a lot of varieties, I really got confused and I don't know what to get. So finally I have logged my mind on this Swiss roll. So I'm gonna get this. I was craving for some gummies since a long time, and this is like my favorite flavor of gummies. So I'm gonna get this too. I got so distracted with other things that I totally forgot to buy milk. So finally I'm gonna get some milk, and then we are gonna go. So we have got our things. So now let's go to the billing counter and pay. Yeah, Baba. Oh, 70，7497，对。Baigan. I've got my stuff and now I came to McD because it's literally right beside that shop. So let's go. Also, I already ordered on my way here, so I just need to get my order. So I'm gonna get my order. Also, if you want to take out and if you already ordered, you can just scan the QR and then in whichever counter your stuff is, the box will open and then you just grab it and then close it. I scanned my code and then my things were already kept inside, so I grabbed it and now let's go. I came out of the McD and now I'm heading back to my vegetable shop. As I told you, it's almost evening time and grandparents are already out with their grandchildren. So फ्रूट्स की कार्ट्स और वगैरह ऐसे लगाते हैं ये लोग रोड पे. मोर चेरी ब्लॉसम ट्रीज. और उधर वहाँ पे कुछ लोग ना पतंग उड़ा रहे हैं. आई डोंट नो इफ यू गाइस कैन सी इट क्लियरली बिकॉज दे आर लाइक रियली फार अवे. ऑल्सो यू कैन सी द फ्लाइट्स बिकॉज मेरी जगह से एयरपोर्ट लगभग आधे घंटे की दूरी पे है. सो यू कैन रियली सी द फ्लाइट्स एंड आई रियली एन्जॉय वॉचिंग दैम. आफ्टर कोविड टाइम ना मुझे थोड़ा PTSD जैसा हो गया था. तो मैं कहीं पे भी जाती थी, आई नेवर यूज टू लाइक टेक ऑफ माई मास्क. एंड नाउ आई हैव प्रॉमिस्ड माई सेल्फ दैट आई वुड ट्राई माई बेस्ट to go without mask. I mean, it is very hard for me, but still I have started. And today if you can see, मैंने 2 बार मेरा मास्क निकाला है. Usually I really don't because I don't like it.